Hey, I'm Javel and this is my demo for the Basedrop challenge. I present to you Basedrop. It's a visual whiteboarding space that helps you to capture ideas that you might come upon while browsing the web. Now, an idea is that you'll be able to remain in context on the website while you're browsing, and you can just save your idea right there and then. Now, first thing you'll do is log in with GitHub, and it comes with a browser extension that you use alongside. So you install the browser extension, then the first thing you want to do is create a board. Now, let's say I want to get some plans for the weekend, so I create a board called Weekend Plans, and you enter the name, then you just select the create button that appears right below it. Now your board is created. So first things first, let's say I want some music, so I can go on Spotify, just grab some tunes that I want to check out on the weekend, and all I have to do is just drag and drop the link directly into the board, and it's now saved. Super easy, right? And I don't have to leave the context of here and open up a notepad or go into a next window. Just drag, drop, and you're good to go. And I can also add notes with rich text formatting as well, similar to what you'll find on Notion. Now, next, let's say I want to just pick out some fits that I might be interested in. Not that I'm buying Versace, but I might make a Pinterest board about it later. So I can just go and drag and drop the image directly onto the board, loads just like that. And same as before, can add some notation as well. Next, let's say I have a YouTube video that I maybe want to check out at a later date or show to a friend. Can just go and drag and drop, and it renders right there in the UI as well. Now, you can also do video as well, so video files, drag and drop, and once it loads up, you can actually play it directly there. And in addition to video files, you can also do audio files as well. So same process, drag and drop, and it's all good to go. So after you're done, click on save, then you can go onto the main site, basedrop.space, and load up your board and be able to view it in all its glory with your annotations, everything right there with you. So it's Basedrop, your visual whiteboarding space for your browsing needs.